What if I told you that macOS 27 might be the biggest visual and AI upgrade Apple has ever made on the Mac? In this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far about macOS 27, expected features, AI upgrades, performance improvements, supported Mac's release date, and whether you should upgrade or not. If you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, or Mac Studio, this update could completely change how you work. Let's get started. macOS 27 is the upcoming major operating system update from Apple for Mac computers, following the evolution from macOS 14 Sonoma, 15, and 26. Apple's now focusing heavily on AI integration, performance optimization for Apple Silicon, deeper iPhone Mac ecosystem features, security and privacy enhancements. And yes, Apple Silicon Macs will get the most benefit. Apple is doubling down on device AI processing, thanks to the neural engine inside the chips like Apple M1, Apple M2, Apple M3, Apple M4 in the upcoming M5 and M6 series. macOS 27 is expected to introduce natural language search, file summarization, context hour suggestions, rewrite, summarize, expand text, works inside Mail, Note, Safari, and third-party apps. Integrated deeply across apps, not just voice, but contextual intelligence that could be finally make Siri feel competitive. Rumors suggest a subtle but modern visual refresh, more translucent glass effect, rounded system panel, dynamic widget on desktop, improved control center. Think redefined and not drastic. Apple usually evolves, not revolutionizes. If you use both Mac and iPhone, with devices like iPhone 16 and later and MacBook Pro, expect the upgrades maybe drag files seamlessly, use iPhone camera as a live AI scanner, instant clipboard sync, full iMessage parity, better editing and collaboration tools. Apple wants your device to feel like one system, not separate gadgets. macOS 27 will likely drop support for older Intel Macs. This means faster boot times, better battery life, optimized RAM management, reduced background resource usage, especially powerful on MacBook Air M3 and Mac Studio. If you're on Apple Silicon, you will see the biggest improvements. Apple is known for privacy. macOS 27 may introduce stronger app permission transparency, advanced anti-phishing protection in Safari, enhanced file wallet encryption, all managed by your Apple ID ecosystem. Apple typically announces macOS updates at Apple WWDC. Expected timeline June 2026 announcement and July 2026 public beta and September or October 2026 official release. If you're a creator like me, I recommend waiting for the stable version before installing. Now, macOS 27 will likely be supported, possibly final support for select Intel Macs, but best experience with M2 and M3 models. If you're still using Intel, this might be the last major update you receive. Now, should you upgrade? Upgrade if you use Apple Silicon, you want AI tools built in, you rely on ecosystem features. Wait, if you use older Intel Macs, you rely on legacy software. macOS 27 is shaping up to be AI focused, performance driven, ecosystem optimized. Apple isn't just updating macOS, they're redefining how the Mac works in an AI first world. If you're excited about macOS 26, comment below. Are you upgrading on day one? And if you want full coverage once beta drops, make sure to subscribe. This is Sudama Lab, and I'll see you in the next one.